All right, you guys want to take 1 second to introduce the rest of the band. On the bass, Charles Clement. On the Hammond and Celestin vocals, Alexandra Sinclair. On the drums, Mr. Jared McFarland. And on the vocals and guitar, Miss Eve Rigby. We're gonna have you sing some, y'all. Eve Rigby, everybody.